Imagine you are sitting at your desk, your coffee is getting cold, your phone buzzes, and then everything stops. Not just you, everything. Every atom in the universe, every photon of light, every heartbeat, every thought. Frozen. What would actually happen if time stopped? First, let's understand what time actually is. Einstein proved that time is not a constant. It is not ticking the same way everywhere. Time is a dimension, just like length, width, and height. And it can be bent, stretched, and slowed down. Right now, time is moving faster at the top of a mountain than at sea level. Astronauts on the International Space Station age slightly slower than people on Earth. Time is already moving at different speeds depending on where you are. But what if it stopped completely? Stage 1, the first microsecond. The moment time stops, light stops. And the moment light stops, you go blind. Not because your eyes stop working, but because photons, the particles that carry light, are frozen in place. No new photons reach your eyes. The last image you saw is the last image you will ever see. But you would not know this, because your brain also stops. Every neuron, every thought, every feeling, frozen mid-process. You would not experience time stopping. You would simply cease to experience anything at all. Stage 2, the physical world. With time frozen, every physical process stops instantly. Fire stops burning. Water stops flowing. Sound stops traveling. The wind freezes mid-gust. But here is where it gets terrifying. Nuclear reactions inside the sun require time to function. The moment time stops, the sun goes silent. But since light is also frozen, you would not see the sun go dark. The last rays of sunlight would be suspended in space, frozen beams of light hanging in the void between the sun and Earth. And gravity? Gravity also requires time to function. Without time, gravitational fields collapse. The moon stops orbiting Earth. Earth stops orbiting the sun. Everything in the universe hangs in place, suspended in the last position it occupied when time ended. Stage 3, the quantum world. At the subatomic level, things get even stranger. Quantum particles exist in multiple states at once until they are observed. Without time, observation is impossible, which means every particle in the universe would exist in a state of pure quantum superposition. Every possible reality existing simultaneously. Every possible version of every atom existing at once. The universe would not be frozen. It would be everything at once. Stage 4. What happens to you? Your body is made of atoms. Atoms are made of particles that require time to exist in a defined state. Without time, your atoms would exist in superposition. You would be simultaneously everywhere and nowhere. Not dead, not alive, just undefined. And then there is the question nobody can answer. If time stopped, who would restart it? Time restarting requires a cause. A cause requires time to exist, which means if time truly stopped, it could never restart. The universe would be frozen forever. Every star, every planet, every person, every thought that was ever thought, suspended in the last microsecond of existence. Forever. Scientists debate whether time can actually stop. Some theories suggest time stopping is mathematically possible near a singularity, the center of a black hole. Where gravity is so strong, time slows to almost zero. Almost, but never quite zero. Because if time ever reached zero, that might be it. The final moment of the universe, not with a bang, not with a whimper, just stillness. Subscribe to Mind Facts 101 for more facts that will keep you up at night. Comment below. If time stopped for 1 hour and only you could move, what would you do?